Dawang Precision Mold Company Limited, established in 1999, is headquartered in Dongguan, Guangdong, renowned as the world manufacturing capital. Our facility spans 21,600 meters squared and is equipped with over 300 advanced machines, supported by a team of more than 400 skilled employees. As a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, inspection, and after-sales service, we hold multiple international certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, and ISO 13485. We provide precision molds and components with accuracy up to 0.001 millimeters for a wide range of global industries such as 3C electronics, automotive, medical, aerospace, semiconductor, and new energy. Our technical expertise is complemented by state-of-the-art manufacturing and inspection equipment, including advanced machining centers, 5-axis and 3-axis rotor machining systems, Mazak 5-axis equipment, 5-axis turn mill centers, high-speed micron and Makino CNC machines, CNC lathes, milling machines, grinders, wire-cut EDMs, and spark erosion machines. Over the years, we have built a talented technical team and a robust quality supply chain, ensuring excellence from design to delivery.